Benny Moido, how you say they make your catfish? Normally, I supposed to do French video for this very recipe on how I make my catfish show. But it can't be like say most of these days when I want to do catfish, is either my phone don't full, no space to record, or I don't even get time to record that very day. And I don't fit carry the fish, keep until I get chance. I got to eat them as the belly they hot. This one are all the ingredients. Now I carry my oil, pour am inside blender, put ginger and garlic, fair blend am first because that one we no want make we bite am chop. The rest can be rough blend. Now I carry pepper, put am inside, add my spring onions, put am inside the same blender. Now they add one single tomatoes. These tomatoes now to just make the fish juicy. We no want dry fish as I dey want am pass. Now carry my best spread. I wan lie and put for inside the bed so that I go carry the fish, carry and make it for sleep, but make stress for not kill am for there. Now carry my salt, carry my seasoning, put am inside plate. I still dey press am. The reason for this heavy mixing na to make sure say all the nut and the salt everything break well. Now add everything when we blend, add am inside the mixture again. Come still dey mix am. My dear, take your 365 years to mix this thing because it is very important so that everything go merge enter inside well. Now I come carry my glove wear am. No be me pepper won't go the pepper for hand after I don rub and cream finish. Now I see they add more pepper. They join am because fish when pepper not there, you go come dey speed like pregnant woman. Anyway, come dey mix am, make sure say I mix am well with the hand when God give me. Now I don mix am finish. I wan rub am pomade, carolite and G&G, make it for bleach well inside the oven. Now I don dey chook my finger inside, take chuku, make everything for penetrate inside. We no want cut fish, everything come dey white. I don turn in front and in back, use and rub everywhere, turn inside and in front, use and rub everywhere. Now I don rub am finish. I wan put my lemon inside because fish where they not put lemon, me I no fit chop am. As you see am so, I lie am for only my side because oga no dey like test lemon inside the fish. Now only me na he just dey like am like that. They put all the garnishing and garnish out. Fish without garnishing, my dear, no dey fine for face. All this one are just so beautiful. And not be say they put one single taste for inside the fish because the normal thing you don't do and finish. Now what I don't do and finish, I want show una the picture so that you go know as your tape lying down well. Now come wrap am well with only 2 foil paper. Not go over wrap am make you for don't reach inside. Now this toothpick they work as 2 things. Number 1, e dey hold the paper. Number 2, you go still let the air penetrate inside. Jehovah Christi. Now we don't finish and now we open now. All the breeze is smoking out. At this point, not be me by myself. Tell oga say food don ready. Now the smell na call and come from inside house. He come by the push, they come. Tell me say when me scratch my bag. Now tell us I think say bag they scratch me. I better go sit down. We don't know what it dey there finish. Just tell me say the smell don't carry you. They come where you don't know before. You sit down, food don ready. You got to praise me. Chai, this my wife. Now pikin went to parent got a train. Not be only mama. Now mama papa got a train. Now kai. Isha pikin when not they carry last for kitchen. They be 1, they be 2, they be 3. They not they carry them play when it comes to kitchen. They sabi chop. Now it be their logo, my dear. They still sabi cook am. Now don't they teach my husband how to use fish and vegetable eat. As in toss and so fry. You want the chop. You don't want chop anything green leaf at all. I can't tell and say okay. You go take her like this. Everything go enter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.